Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to create a Vrbo account in 2025. If you're planning your next getaway, Vrbo is the perfect platform for finding amazing vacation rentals, and setting up an account is super straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start browsing listings in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your device and head over to the Vrbo website at vrbo.com or download the Vrbo app from your phone's app store. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Create Account button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you won't miss it. Next, you'll need to enter some basic information. Start by providing your email address. Make sure it's one you check often, as you'll need to verify it. Then, create a strong password. Remember, in 2025, security is key. So use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe from hackers. After that, fill in your personal details like your first and last name, and perhaps your phone number for added verification. Vrbo might ask for your date of birth or preferences to personalize your experience, but don't worry, it's all optional. Once you've double-checked your info, hit the Submit or Create Account button. Now, check your email inbox for a verification link from Vrbo. Click on it to activate your account. This step is crucial and only takes a second. If you don't see the email, make sure to check your spam folder. Pro tip: after signing up, take a moment to explore the app's settings. You can add payment methods for faster bookings or set up notifications for deals. And if you run into any issues, Vrbo's Help Center is packed with resources. There you have it. You're all set with your new Vrbo account. Now, go ahead and start searching for that dream vacation spot. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.